welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a food review. I don't think it's bok choy, it's some other leaf. This is my favorite. I love spicy food. A lot of veggies in it too. Eggs, carrot, you know, the authentic food. Instead of beans. This tastes good. If you ever wonder what happened to the other dishes, this is sticky rice with mango. This one is, okay, give me a minute. Hi guys, this is Mylie. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a food review. This is a Thai restaurant which is in Oshawa. It's called Ayothaya Thai Kitchen. So I have ordered Thai spicy level Thai basil shrimp fried rice, and this is chicken noodles, and this one is green curry beef. So, and oh yeah, that's the dessert, like a mango sticky rice. So let's get in. So I'm gonna start with this one. This is my favorite. I haven't ever tried this restaurant, but this has a 4.7 star review on Google and ubereats. Like I ordered through ubereats. So let's taste this. I wish I could have got a spoon to taste it first. Oh, wow. The thing is, I have ordered medium spice level, but that is very spicy. I don't know. My husband is gonna hate me because he told me to order something mild. And these two are going to be like, the noodles are spicy and I have ordered like Thai level spicy for the fried rice. So I think that's going to be even more spicier. I'm not sure, but this tastes good. The gravy is not too thick. It's kind of like watery. Some restaurants, they do have very thick gravy. Very flavorful. It's really good. I like to eat spicy and warm food during the winter time. So yeah, and I love basil too. Like even in pasta or in curries, fried rice, basil and rosemary in pastas. It might sound a little bit weird, but I love it. The next one, there is a chicken piece, so I'll try this first. The chicken is very tender, well cooked, soft, and very flavorful. Very flavorful. I love it. A lot of veggies in it too. Eggs, carrot. Bok choy. What is this? Is that a beans? Yeah, beans. It is spicy, but it feels so good. I love spicy food. You can choose your spicy level in this restaurant. So when you order, I ordered through Uber Eats. So when I ordered, like it's like no spice, mild, medium, spicy. And then the last one was Thai level spicy. I think that is going to be extreme spice level. I don't know. Only if I try this fried rice, then I will know, because that is Thai level spice. So I'm wondering, like even all these things are spicy, already medium, and this one is spicy. Yeah, this is medium, this is spicy, and that is Thai level spicy. So if spicy is like this and medium is like this, I wanna, oh my god, I'm running nose because it is spicy. If you can't handle spicy, like go below medium, like mild or even no spice, and you can have the spicy sauce or some spice level, whatever. I don't know what would they give for spiciness on the side, and then you can add it at home, or if you're trying at a restaurant, like you can try that way. So good. I'm a little bit scared to try this. Okay, a little bit of veggie and bok choy and a little bit of rice together. Where is the rice? I don't think it's bok choy, it's some other leaf. You know what? I'll try it with the lemon. It changes everything. So let's mix the lemon. I see chili pieces. Look at that. It makes a difference. Let's try a shrimp. Shrimps are butterflied, and there are a lot of shrimp already. Like I say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe inside. I don't know. I have never been to Thailand. That's one of the goals that I wanted to do. I just wonder how the food would be there. You know, the authentic food. It's so good. Cup. I have still one to do, but I don't want to do, so you can take. So let's move the main course to one side. This is sticky rice with mango. So let's open. They have packed the sticky rice in a clear wrap. Finally, it's off. If you ever wonder what happened to the other dishes, my husband is super hungry and he took it off because I'm taking so long to film this. Happens. I don't want to pour a lot. Where's my fork? He took my fork too? Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, he took my fork too. A little bit of mango. I think I need more, like, what is this? Sauce? Cream? So good. I have runny nose now because it was spicy, but it feels so good to eat this after very spicy food. And mango is my favorite food. Most of you guys are a fan of mango. So final verdict is, like, I have tried like 4 dishes today. The shrimp Thai fried rice, the noodles, the chicken noodles, and beef green curry, mango sticky rice. So all these 4, like, I loved every single thing. Like, I normally, like, even when I check it on the Uber Eats, like, if they have a good review, like, I go on Google and check them again. That's how I see it, because some restaurants, they do have a really good reviews on Uber Eats, but when you go in Google, like, they do not. That is kind of like iffy, right? Like, so that's why I check both the sites. So this restaurant is called Ayothaya Thai Kitchen in Oshawa, Ontario. So it's really good, and yeah, like, most probably once a week we do takeout. And if you would like to see more food reviews, let me know. And when I'm traveling, like, I would do more too. Now that I'm here, I would try anything you say. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys like any of the restaurants, please let me know, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.